everybody, welcome to Keto-alicious. Today I'm going to be making keto chocolate covered strawberries. I love strawberries, and I know that on this keto lifestyle, a lot of you guys are always asking, what can I make that's sweet? I need sweet, I have a sweet tooth, or I'm a junk food junkie and I'm trying to get off of that. Well, here's a treat for you guys. I have taken a bag of Lily's dark chocolate premium baking chips. They are sweetened with stevia, and I have taken a teaspoon and a half or 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I have microwaved them, and I'm stirring this together just to get it, and it is so beautiful. It has a shine to it, and it's gonna make your strawberries taste amazing and also look beautiful. So I'm just getting everything, get all the lumps out of this. And then, oh my gosh, my beautiful strawberries. Look at those. Isn't that gorgeous? So what I'm going to be doing, super simple. I'm just going to be taking one of these beautiful strawberries. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. That's like a double strawberry, huge. And I am going to just dip it. And you know, you just kind of whirl it around. Now this is like a double strawberry. This is gorgeous. And I'm gonna just let it drip a little bit and lay it on parchment paper. Just like that. Just so it gets a chance to kind of cool off a bit. And I'm just gonna continue doing this. This is so easy, guys. You can have something beautiful and sweet, and when this chocolate cools off, you can take these anywhere. They're beautiful. So I'm just laying these down, and I leave the green tops on them because I think the green tops are beautiful, and I think it makes them even more pretty. And another thing I want to do while they are hot is I took some unsweetened coconut flakes, and I'm going to just dump some of them on there. They're beautiful. And this gives them a chance to kind of stick to it well. And if some of them fall off the side, that's okay. Grab them, put some more on there. If you don't like coconut, that's okay. You could take nuts. You could leave them plain. That's even, you know, the best part. You don't have to do the coconut. I just happen to love the coconut, and the coconut that I have, the unsweetened coconut, is in bigger slices, and so it gives a crunch like a nut. So I'm gonna, as we go, I'm just gonna, and if you get it on your hands, eat it. Amazing. These are so good. These could be left in the refrigerator, you know, for a week or so. This would be great for a party. If you're trying to stay keto, but you want to do something sweet, do a couple of these while they're, you know, so you guys want to work kind of quickly so that the chocolate doesn't, you know, get too cold too fast. And I'm going to go ahead and do all of these because, I mean, you can, for family and everybody else, why not? And I just am gonna, I don't want to waste the chocolate, because as you know, the chocolate Lily's is not cheap, but it is wonderful and very much worth it. If it'll save you from staying, you know, on your keto plan, it's worth the money, I promise you that. All right, almost done. I'm going to take more of the coconut, put it on there. I'm running out of space here, so just be careful not to touch the other strawberries. Perfect. One more. Let's not waste that little guy. Okay. So there we have it. I'm going to take some more of that coconut and just put it over the top of these little guys. And I'm going to let them sit for a minute. And then I'm going to go ahead and put them on that beautiful plate and take some pictures of it. So you have it. Look at that. What? 2 minutes, 3 minutes maybe tops, and you have yourself beautiful, beautiful strawberry keto chocolate covered. I got chocolate everywhere. Chocolate covered strawberries. But now you've got a sweet treat for you or your family, and you don't have to feel guilty. You are staying right on the keto. Make sure and add your macros for these, however many you decide to eat. I'm making it short and sweet, you guys. This week, I guess I'm doing no cooking keto, and it's for all you people out there that are looking for something fast and easy that you can stay on this keto plan, and no excuses. So I hope you enjoy them. Make these little guys. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful day. Be good to yourself. Wrap yourself around chocolate and strawberries, and I promise you it'll be a better day. Till next time, guys, make sure and watch all my videos. I love each and every one of you. Subscribe to me if you're not. Just giving an update on my books. I have 2 coming out very quickly. I'm still working on them, so I'm bouncing back and forth. I'll give you more information as soon as they get closer so that you guys can get an opportunity to check out these surprises. Anyway, talk to you guys soon. Love you. Bye-bye.